Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already have and what you need. Open Settings and check Activation so you know whether Windows is unlicensed or eligible for a digital license. Once done, verify CPU, RAM, and storage meet the target edition's requirements because licenses map to editions. Make sure to choose OEM for single PC, retail for transferable use, or volume for multiple machines. This choice affects cost and activation method, so pick with deployment in mind. Now you obtain the license itself by purchasing from an official channel. You can use the Microsoft Store for a digital license tied to your Microsoft account, or buy a product key from an authorized reseller. For organizations, use the Volume Licensing Service Center. Once purchased, you'll receive a 25-character product key or a digital entitlement. Save the invoice and sign into the Microsoft account you used, because those records link your license to your device and simplify activation. Finish by activating Windows and verifying the license status. Enter the 25-character key in Settings Activation or sign into the Microsoft account with the digital license. Once activated, Windows shows Windows is activated with a digital license. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter, make sure date/time and network are correct, or use SLMGR. VBS commands as instructed for rearm or reactivation. If problems persist, contact support with your receipt. Keeping that record solves most disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.